Hey, good morning everyone. It's Jesse with Treestand Man Outdoors. Heading up to my buddy Eddie's family farm to prune some apple trees. So it's March 5th, about 15 degrees out right now. And we want to do this while it's still cold and there's no new growth happening. So middle of winter is always a good time to do it. But stay tuned, we'll show you how it's done. So I want to start out by saying that I'm not an expert at pruning trees, but I have done some research, and this seems to be a pretty common method that I'm about to show. So do your own research before you start, but this has worked well for us, and hopefully this will help you produce more apples, have healthier trees, and keep more wildlife in the area. All right, so I'm here with my buddy Eddie, and we're doing some pruning today. So Eddie, why don't you go ahead and tell them what we're trying to accomplish?
All right, so we've got this apple tree that's pretty overgrown in the center, and we're going to give it some love today and free it up a bit. So all these little shoots, the verticals coming off the main trunks, we're going to be getting rid of those. Any dead branches, anything that looks maybe diseased or something else, we're going to try to grab that off and get it ready for spring.
So as you can tell, we just finished up and took out a lot of new growth and dead wood, so it's a lot cleaner. For some of the bigger limbs, I'm using this DeWalt 20-volt max pole saw. It's got a 15-foot reach and an 8-inch bar, so it really helps speed things along. I'll throw a link in the description for anyone that's interested.
Any way you think you could hack down that tree?
This one right here?
Yeah.
We'll give it a shot.
Yeah, get as low and as perpendicular as you can, and we'll see.
I think so.
Once it starts to go, get out of there. It looks like it may drop that other thing on your head.